In this video, I want you guys to watch how I built this wood sled, one that improves any winter display. You're going to see how easy this is to put together. Now, I'm not giving any dimensions, and that is on purpose, because I want you to tap into your own natural creativity. Come up with your own unique design. So use my sled build as a template of sorts. I'm sure you'll find some design aspect that you think could be improved upon. That's my point. That's what I did after seeing one online. I got inspiration from it and tweaked it to fit what I liked. Do the same with yours. I just used some scrap pieces laying around, and now my wife is happy to have this sled sitting out on our front porch among the other Christmas display items. The build goes fast once you decide on the size of each piece. That's what took me the most time. When you get your design down, you could actually batch these out and give them away as gifts. Maybe even sell some for a little extra side money. Some of you know that I carried mail for 31 years. The Christmas season is the most stressful time of year to be doing that, as you can imagine. I never was able to relax and just enjoy this time of year. Now, being retired, I relish every bit of it. I refuse to get caught up in the rush. I'm just an old grandpa now, relaxing, creating, and hopefully inspiring some of you along the way. Especially with this video. Do me a favor and comment below if you actually come up with your own design and build it. I love hearing feedback like that. Hey, thanks for watching. Have a safe, wonderful, and peaceful holiday season, however you celebrate it.